doing here?
What's that mean? Well, we probably ought to cut that stuff up and kind of stack it, and then maybe what?
You got a picture of that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my heavens.
I mean, all you can see is a little bit of fence, and Dad and three of it. But it was taken right here.
Well, you gotta remember, Charlie was born in 1900.
That's right.
He got in on the ground. This tree's got growing.
Oh, yeah.
There's no way.
You can't.
No reason.
Oh.
You want it higher?
Cut this thing off. So, yeah, I've got it.
We're gonna do these stones. We ought to do that before we spray that stuff all around there.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
You want to do any more on the east side there?
Yes.
Take that.
Well, everywhere. This whole farm's got it. Yeah.
Okay,
That walnut, that walnut there. Yeah, that 2.5, 3 footer.
well, I got a neighbor down there that he knows this very far.
Oh, man.
This, then turn around and come across it, and she shuts her off right at the rowan.
That's the way that fit in there.
Yeah.
See, but one social line post out of that.
You can't even hardly read that anymore.
No. You'd have to take a rubbing of it.
Or in that book has it, didn't it?
Yeah, it's all written out.
Yeah, that book has it.
That doesn't mean that it works for me.
Harold Hughes Farm.
Oh, get that right over there.
Well,
I can't see maybe it's
four, but originally.
right there, but the section on that, this whole top.
Looks like
Okay, what?
Well, his flights probably don't last too.
Well, he said
He
when he was
doesn't fly
there
the ocean.
Thursday night, he said he was going to be gone for 4 days.
Oh, maybe he's flying the ocean.
Well,
And then
I was supposed to cut over there.
and he said put about
He lives back in
a half an inch of that in there,
straight through the, straight.
and that'd be just about that much, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Used to be Peterson. Used to be Peterson. Yeah. Yeah. I'm trying to tell you his name.
Okay.
But we're supposed to cut hedge out of that. We were supposed to this winter, and it just, it wasn't a good winter. Nothing didn't turn up enough.
Yeah, like some mortar stuff is what I thought it was. Oh yeah, there's not. Yeah, we might be kind of funny that. So, yeah, just stick that up there.
See, mine was, I had a garage.
That's right.
Behind it was my workshop. Airplanes. I put it up to be 48 foot. And that's actually smaller than what I had.
Well, that's one thing.
I had to do
that.
Roger do to your planner to put on.
I don't know if you could read that.
automatic shut off.
The directions there.
That's if I had one of those.
Let that dry a little bit.
I guess he could not do it. Isn't he? Yeah, but that makes walk over a lot of it. He said nobody saw his house.
Now, this has a couple of peg
Probably
holes,
wasn't much
but you
more
don't
than
see
100 or
any-
something.
No.
Here, and it goes over there.
Nah, the spring's off over there more.
Probably never drank out of the spring down at the golf place, because that was awful good water.
Oh, yeah.
And then there's one over there at the other place. It's, you know, the one we had over there.
One down here.
Okay, put her on there, bud, before,
You know,
there you go.
cornerstones for the lot, you know.
Oh, okay.
Now, who was his fault?
That looks good.
He's been gone a long time. Yeah, but he's not the guy that ran the, that's his uncle. That was Lloyd. That's Lloyd. No, I didn't know. Yep, that's Lloyd's involved. That was his uncle.
Tim's got a project for me. The house they got this here wood fence. Well, it's all of them do. His fence is falling down. He wants me to replace.
Well, Bill, give her a go.
Here we are.
Russ, I better have some of your water.
It looks like it wants to stay.
Different things that today that the way this stuff stinks, you know. Kids listening to it, and he'd always ask to listen to it,
So you could.
so we could listen to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you boys would probably just giggle.
Yeah, the old preacher put one over on Mom tonight.
Yeah, well, that stuff's hardening up, Bill. But
And Mark hooked a traco onto it. And I cut it, and he pulled it, and dropped it right between two. I dropped it right between two buildings. Right down there, look at
if we'd angled a little
anchors.
more,
Oh my gosh.
we'd have been all right.
Look at it. Yeah. See how many Yeah. Look at that big sun gun down there.
Where are we gonna drag the cutting stuff?
What's that, Dean? Well, if we had pry bars going over there and you could lift that up and put something under it, you could straighten it up real easily.
I don't like it.